Assalamu alaikum, students. This is your teacher, Miss Rida Asif, your mathematics teacher from SM Public Academy, Campus 5. A student, today we are going to discuss chapter number 6, linear equations and inequalities. Before starting our exercise, we have to focus, we have to discuss that what is the meaning of equation, linear equations. First of all, if a symbol of equality is involved in the open sentence, then such kind of sentence is called an equation. For example, 2x is equals to 5 or x plus 1 equals to 5. Okay? That open sentence contains sign of equality. That's why it becomes the equation. If the expression contains the sign of equality, then such expression will becomes equation, right? Now, what about linear equation? What about linear equation? If in the equation there is the exponent variable containing the exponent is equals to 1, that kind of equation is called linear equation, right? That means here we can see that x containing the power 1, right? Such kind of equation is called linear equation, right? It is not containing the power squares, it is not containing the power cubes. It contains the power exponent, means it contains the exponent 1. Okay? Typically 1, we are not going to show 1 as in power, as an exponent. We are not going to show it in the equation. So students, such kind of equation is called linear equation with the power 1, with the exponent 1. So how can we solve such kind of linear equations? What is the meaning of solution of linear equation with rational coefficients? The students' linear equations solution is based on finding the value of variable, right? Finding the value of the variable. For example, here we can see that here we can see 2x plus 1 is equals to 9. We want to find the value of x, right? For which the equations becomes true. That answer, that means the value of x is called the solution or root of the equation. For example, here 2x plus 1 equals to 9. Here plus 1 here 1 is adding with 2x. So if it will move to the right hand side, this plus 1 becomes minus 1, right? 9 minus 1 give you 8. 2x is equals to 8, right? What we want to find the solution. We want to find the value of x, right? We want to find the value of x. Here 2 is multiplied with x. When this 2 will move to the right hand side, it will be divided by 8 over there, right? It is multiplying with x. When it will move to the right hand side, it becomes x is equals to 8 over 2, right? Now, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So what will be the value of x? We get the value of x is equals to 4. So this value of x is a solution of the equation, or we can say it is the root of the equation for which this equation becomes true. What is the meaning? That how it becomes true? if we put the value of x4 over here in this equation, it becomes 2 into 4, 2 fours are 8 plus 1. 2 fours are 8 plus 1, 9. That means 9 is equals to 9. So this equations becomes true. 9 equals to 9. That means it is true for the given equation. So we get the solution set x is equals to 4. Is it clear? Okay. Moving on to the next question. Now, what we want over here, we want to solve. Again, we are having the linear equation, students. You can see that there is no exponent on y. That means there is 1. So it's the linear equation. Students, we want to find the value of y. Y is written on the right hand side. We can shift it to the left hand side. Here we can see that both the left hand side and right hand side are having minus sign. So we can cancel these two signs. Minus minus, we get plus, right? We get y over 4 is equals to 6, right? Minus minus cancel. 4 is here dividing with y. Y over 4 is equals to 6. So this 4 is dividing over here. When it will move to the right hand side, it becomes 6 into 4, right? 6 fours are 24. So let's find out that this value is true for the given question. Let's find it out that this is it true for the given equation. Students, if we put the value 24 in the given question, we get minus 24 over 4, right? 24, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. So on the left hand side, we get minus 6. On the right hand side, we are already getting minus 6. That means this root, this solution set y value is true for the given equation. Clear? Next question is 8m is equals to 64. Again, we have to find the value of the given variable. Here, the variable is m. Here, m is a variable. 8 is multiplying over here with m. We only want m over here. So it will be divided on the right hand side. 8 will be divided by 64 like this. We get m is equals to 64 over 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64, and the solution set m is equals to 8. Next question, students. Y minus 2 over 5 is equals to 1 over minus 1 over under root 3. In this question, with y, this part is subtracting over here. On the left hand side, we can see that minus 2 over 5 is subtracting from y, right? So when it will move to the right hand side, it will become plus 2 over, it will become plus 2 over 5, right? Plus 2 over 5 minus, already we can see that minus 1 upon 3 is written over there. So this minus 2 over 5 will move to the right hand side and it becomes plus 2 over 5. How can we solve such kind of equation? Here we have to find out the LCM, right? We have to find out the LCM, students. So here 5 and 3 is over there, right? So how can we find the LCM? We can write it down over 5 and we can write it down 3 over here. So 3 ones are 3, 5, right? And next 5 ones are 5. So what will be the LCM, students? We get 3 5s are 15. So here we get the LCM 15, right? Here we get the LCM 15. 5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. So we can write 6 over here. Here 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. We get 6 minus 5 over 15. 6 minus 5 over 15. Right? So next, when we solve it, beta, 6 minus 5 gives you 1, and in the denominator we get 15. So we get the answer 1 over 15. So the value of y is 1 over 15. So the solution set here is 1 over 15. Next. Now, here the question is 2x minus 4 over 5, 5x minus 12 over 4. Here in this question, this 5 is dividing over here in the left hand side. It will, when it will move to the right hand side, it will be multiplied with this expression, right? If 4 is dividing over here, when it moves to the left hand side, it becomes 4 into 2x minus 4, right? So here we get 4, 2x, 4 into 2x minus 4 on the left hand side, and 5 into 5x minus 12 on the right hand side. Now 4 is going to be multiplied with the whole bracket. 4 2s are 8x minus 4 4s are 16, right? Now 5 5s are 25x and 5 12s are 60, right? Now in this step we can see that x is written over here and 25x is written over here. When this 8x will move towards the right hand side, it becomes 25x minus 8, like this, right? Now minus 60 is written over here. When it will move to the left hand side, it will becomes plus 60. We get plus 60 minus 16. 60 minus 16 gives you 44. 25 minus 18 give you 17x. Now, x is multiplying with 17. We only want to find the value of x. So this 17 is going to be divided over here and we get 44 over 17, right? We get 44 over 17. Acha, now this is improper fraction. So how can we convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction? We will write 17 and here we can write 44. 17 twos are, what is 17 twos are 34. 44 minus 34 gives you answer 10. So here the answer is 2 whole 10 over 17. So the solution set x, keep, what will be the answer of x? X is equals to 2 10 over 17. Clear? 2 whole 10 over 17. Next question is, students, here we have considered the word problem for you to solve the linear equation. You can also have the word problem and it is very simple to solve it. Student, when 25 is added to a number, here the number is not given to you, right? If 25 is added to a number, so first we can suppose the number x, right? If 25 is added to the number, the result is half and the answer is 3 times the original number, right? First of all, we have to suppose the number. What is the number? We have to find the number. So let x be the number. We have supposed, we can also suppose let y be the number. We can suppose the number m. We can suppose any of the variable, right? So if the number is added with the variable, agar variable is going to be added with 25, the result is half. What will be the result? The result is half. First, we have supposed the number. According to the given condition, the result will be half. If, if 25 is added to the number x, its result will be half. What is the meaning of half? That we can divide the addition of these two numbers gives you the result half, means we can divide that number by 2. It gives you the half of its result, right? The answer is 3 times the original number. So the answer will be 3 times, that means 3 into the original number, 3 times the 3 into x, right? Again, look at the equation. If 25 is added to the number, the result will be half. The answer is, that means equal to 3 times the original number, right? Is it clear? So how can we solve such equation? According to given condition, we get x plus 25 over 2 is equals to 3x. Students, this 2 is dividing on the left hand side. When it will move to the right hand side, it becomes 3 2s are 6. Now on the next step, what we want the value of x, that is the number, right? So this x is adding with 25. When it will move to the right hand side, it becomes 6x minus x, like this. 25 will be written as it is. It is 6x minus x, yani 6 minus 1x. 6 minus 1, 5x, right? Now this 5 is multiplying with x. When it will move towards the right hand side, it will move in the denominator. We get 25 over 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. So we get x equals to 5. But if the question is given in the form of word problem, statements are there, so you have to give the result in a proper way, in proper words. What was the demand of the question? The question was asking you that what is a number. So in result, you have to mention that the answer is, you have to mention result here. What will be the result, student? You have to write down the result. You have to write down the result in a proper way. What will be the result, student? Here you have to write down the result. The number is, you will write the number is, x is equals to, we get 5. That means what is your result? Result is the number is 5. You have to write in a proper way. Now please don't write in this kind of question that solution set x is equals to 5. We are not asking you about the solution set. We are asking that what is the number. So you have to write down the number. In some conditions, we are going to ask you about what will be the age. So in the end, you have to write down that the age of the father, or for example age of the son. In a proper words, you have to mention the result. Is it clear? Okay. Now student, what you have to do, students, in your algebra copy, again I'm telling you that you have to do that work in your algebra copy. In index of algebra copy, you have to mention Chapter number 6, linear equations and inequalities. Exercise 6.1, question 1 is on page number 126, right? The question is solve the following equation. You have to do question 1, bit number 1 and 3, right? But if you are having any problem regarding the solution of this question, you can ask me physically during the class. You can ask me about this question. Okay, try to complete these questions in algebra copy properly, and I will check these question inshallah in our physical class. All right, next step is, students, after maintaining your index, what you have to do, you have to make the title page of chapter 6 with the subtitles exercise 6.1. Clear? I hope today's lecture is properly clear to you, that how can we find the solution set, how can we find the root, how can we find the answer of the word problem in a proper way. I hope each and everything is clear to you. But if something is not clear to you, you can ask me physically. I'm always there for you. All right. Thank you so much, students. Take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.